After the forward backward, I close, make your partner walk forward, you guys walk backward, outside partner, and close. It's a little box, walking backward for the leader, forward for the follower. It's like I go to the backward but not to the forward. Because in the forward backward, when I go backward, I close exactly the same way. See, in the forward backward, the follower is walking outside partner, and I close. It's only going backward, not the forward, and close. Walking backward, and close. Walking backward, and close, and start again. The follower mirrors the leader. After the forward backward, close, forward, forward, close, forward, forward, close, forward, forward, close. That will be the idea. And finish with forward backward for now. We will finish in a different way, but to study the element. You start from the forward backward. You close and then go backward and close and go backward and close and go backward and close, and then from here into the forward backward basic that we did in the beginning. So in a recap, the change of way to get into the music, the mood, orientation on the dance floor. First, the forward and backward, only one. Now, 2 times. Now, you divide it. First the first half, then the second half. Okay, now, a little walk around your partner. Into the forward backward, close. I go again to the forward backward, and now I close it, and back, back, close, back, back, close, back, back, close. Okay, I see the line of dance. Again to the side step, forward, backward. You choose. You want to do the traspié, do the traspié. It applies both ways. Okay? The only difference, if you do the traspié, the side step, you do 2 side steps. If you don't do the traspié, it's only 1 side step and you continue. The rest is the same. It's convenient that you stay steady in your choice. Traspié or no traspié, the whole time. You cannot change your mind halfway. You can do it. You start with traspié, you start with traspié, you start with no traspié. Okay? So, I let you choose. I choose traspié. I let you choose. Good. Okay, but yeah, leader, tell your partner that it's going to be traspié. This observation in relation to how to link this box going backward back into the forward backward. Always will be a backward step with your partner in front. 1 in the basic, in the way we call the elements in the basic, the leader going backward with the follower going forward in front. That will be the link. Look, I close. This one is not the one because I open for my partner to walk outside partner. I open the space for my partner to walk outside partner. But when I finish, I keep her in front of me. And this is the one you choose with traspié or no traspié, you choose. And then back to the forward backward. Again. I close the forward backward. I make my partner walk outside. I make my partner walk outside to do the box going backward. But now I decide to stop doing that in front. She has to be in front of you, side, again to the basic. That transition could be tricky, make the difference. So you turn your partner outside, or you turn your partner in front. Should we try once again?